I want my day to be? Now, this is something which you are creating as an intent. सुबह उठने से पहले, या उठने का मतलब when you get up and then you are about to enter your world physically, अगर आप एक इंटेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वो इंटेंट कहीं ना कहीं आपसे कुछ एक्शन करवाएगी. ऐसा देखा गया है, and that's what I understand, that majority of people, they don't create an intent for themselves to see and to handle the day, to live the day. The intent many times is maybe unknowingly, or many times it is not there. So सुबह उठ के अगर आप एक इंटेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, that how do I want my day to be? Do I want my day to go blissful? Do I want my day to go happy? Do I want my day to be adventurous? Do I want my day to be full of love? क्या आप कैसा, do I want my day to be full of work today? Do I want to see my day full of finishing tasks? तो आज का इंटेंट क्या है? So before you step into the world, please ensure that you create an intent. सुबह आप उठे, आंखें आपने खोली, before you step out of the bed, maybe you can close your eyes for half a minute or a minute, and then in your mind you say to yourself, this is the intent for today. And then once the intent has been set, this is what I want from the world. Intent का मतलब है आपने आवाज कर दी यूनिवर्स को, आपने आवाज कर दी दुनिया को, this is what I want from you, because your intent is all about what you want. This is what you want from the day, from people around you. Now, second question you have to ask yourself early in the morning is, how should I be today? एक आपने कहा, this is what my intent is for myself today, कि ऐसा आज मेरा दिन होना चाहिए, ऐसा मुझे दिन से चाहिए. Second question is, how should I be? मैं कैसा रहूं? और answer, you decide your answer. That I got to be hardworking, I got to be lovable, I got to be full of excitement, I got to be full of energy. तो आपने अपने आप को सोच लिया कि मैं ऐसा बनूंगा, और आपने कह दिया कि मैं ऐसा चाहता हूं, और फिर आप दिन भर में करिए जो आपको करना है. Fill your life, fill your day with actions. So सुबह इंटेंट बनाइए, सुबह अपने अंदर का एक बनाइए कि आप कैसे होंगे, how your state of being should be, and then fill it up with actions. So रात को जब आप सोने से पहले जब आप एक रिव्यू करोगे, the review will be so wonderful, because that's what you thought of, that's what you said, this is what my intent is, this is what I will be, and these are my actions. तो आपका रिव्यू इतना अच्छा होगा कि आपको समझ में आएगा कि दिन एक्चुअली बड़ा अच्छा निकला. तो ये आप करिए इसको. don't let it like just listen to me and then forget about it. I suggest that you at least practice it for the next 1 week, 10 days, 15 days. आप practice करो these two wonderful questions: how I want my day to be and how I should be. 2 questions early in the morning.